Minista Kithure Kindiki muthenya jwana ni achumirite mbere ya kamiti ya Senate iria ikuthingatira mantu jegie Shakahola. Kindiki na ithurite MWANKIRA NANDI MIIRI 350 nirikite kumburwa mwitone jo aria MBERERA ingi 40 irikite kuonora na ikaumburwa rua. Nkuruki naugite mutumiriri Anturuto Paul Mackenzie ni arikite kurugurirwa nthitango inya irio moritani ja mathuku kiria thingati bawe na kurigiria ana baba ingi kukinyaniria kioto kia kugwata kithomo burani giutate na katiba ya Kenya. Anthony Kathenya na Nteto Eje Nkuruki.
Karibu Prof.
Akiaria mbele ya kamiti ya mwanya ile GUCUNKUNA ikulejonekanite ntereje Shakahola kaunti ya Kilifi, waziri wa ikale Profesa Kithure Kindiki nilirithite mpaka thaino MIIRI antu ilelekite kumborwa kumakembelela muditoni ojo wa Shakahola ni 350 mbele la 40 nilikite kuonekana na mutaratara wa kana wa kumbora MBERE nudite na mbele Kindiki akelede gatembele la ino nikulegula kudura jina MBERE ya antu baingi. Waziri Kindiki neleithitie ati nibamenyete kaoma kwali na gikosi kiawe kinae kiri muditojo wa Shakahola na ngogi yakio yali kulungamira kuragwa gwantu balabali muditoni ojo. Waziri Kindiki neleithitie ati Kenya ninyilikite anene kumane na ikali kalile ya Shakahola endende no nompasie menyele kumane ikali kalingita lile kirintu kuikeja.
Did he have a militia? Yes. All the evidence is pointing to the existence of a militia whose work was to supervise death, make sure that those who change their minds are forced to continue with that process till the end. Losing hundreds of people is a great loss to the country. Even lose one person who is lost to a criminal is a big loss to a country. Would rather we take precaution and save the society than to be too liberal. And then our work is to bury people's children, spouses, relatives as if it's a casual thing. So going forward, this exercise must be circumscribed by the need to protect collective security in our country.
Kindiki akelene letitete thirikari yali no menyo bwa mekalika njia muditojo Shakahola ende tali no menyo bwa mekalika ndane muditojo. Kindiki akethijaga na mbele na kulombole kilikire ya Kenya nonto bwa maite male mekalikile kile thirikari ya ukabere na thirikari ya thaino.
Since Kenya's independence, this is the worst security breach in the history of our country. This is the greatest attack on our national security in Kenya's existence. Is that serious? All we need to show is the suspect was in control of that space. That's all. We didn't know that what the situation is now is what it is that time. And for the second time, if not the third, on behalf of the previous administration, where all these things began, by virtue of what I have already stated here, and the current administration, I apologize to the people of Kenya that this should not have happened.
Waziri yojo wekalia neleithite kuthia ukabere nombas kwithira kwina watho bulabuka ingire kinae kwitha ndi adini kenda kuthina mbele na wekinae bwao.
The freedom to worship and to religion does not include the freedom to kill people or to take their property or to torture them or to expose them to degrading treatment. We must prevent ministers of religion from using this important right to freedom of worship and freedom of religion from using that space to cause social harm. And there is nothing unconstitutional about that. We'll have to address that. That ruthlessness that we applied that time to deal with our Muslim brothers that time, we will use it on our Christian brothers and sisters the same.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kadenya.